Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So our today's video is a requested video by a few of my subscribers who wanted me to make a lip balm with kojic acid. I have made a lot of lip balm videos before. For those who are interested, new subscribers who would want to go ahead and watch them, I've made normal lip balms with ghee, but today we are going to be making a kojic acid lip balm. This helps with extreme pigmentation on the lips, to remove stubborn pigmentation which has been there on your lips for a very long time. So I'm going to go ahead and make this kojic acid lip balm. For those who would like to learn advanced formulations, using actives and other skin loving ingredients, you can contact me for my workshops on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. So we'll quickly start with the making here. Now here I have my blend of oils, waxes, thickeners to make this lip balm. For this I have taken conditioning oils like almond oil and castor oil, which helps to soften the lips. I have taken a blend of shea butter and kokum butter. So shea butter and kokum butter helps to heal the lips if you have a lot of cracks on your lips, if your lips feel very chapped and dry. It helps to soothe that, it helps to moisturize. So for my waxes I have taken beeswax and I have taken candela wax. You can use any other wax of your choice as well. So we'll quickly start with the making of the product. So now I'll go ahead and heat all these waxes, thickeners, all the ingredients that I have added here. Even the kojic acid has already been added to my oils. So we'll go ahead and heat this. So I've gone ahead and heated all the ingredients here, and here we have our liquid, which I'm going to go ahead and add my vitamin E to this. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant so that your oils don't get rancid and there's no smell of the oil after some time. Now just to enhance the look of this, I'm going to be adding very little pink color to this, along with a little bit of golden shimmer, just to give it a nice shimmery pink lip balm. This is optional. If you don't want to add it, please don't add it. You can leave it plain as it is. Okay, so I have gone ahead and mixed all the color and the shimmer to this. If you all can see, this has a lovely shimmer to it and a nice pink color. Now I will go ahead and fill this in tubes like this, in these tubes, because they are going to come out very nicely, this lip balm, from these tubes. Once I fill it in this and it gets set, I will show you all how it looks. And I have let it cool for a while. So now I'll show you the texture. This will thicken a little more after 24 hours. It's not yet 24 hours, but still you can see the texture of this lip balm. A very soft glide. So you can use this with a tube like this, or else if you want to keep it in the container, you can also keep it in your container and use it. So this is the lip balm which we've gone ahead and made today with kojic acid. Very effective for pigmentation, to completely remove the pigmentation from your lips. And if you all do like what I share with you all, if you all want me to come up with much more new skincare tips and products, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you everyone.